Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't conceal me.
Hey y'all, okay, so today I'm going to be doing some small, mini, extra long passion twists. This is the hair that I use, the Freatress braid. It's in the soulful curl. So starting off, I did already section my hair in mini twists, which you can see I looked pretty fed up in that clip. But I went ahead and sectioned my hair off. So I'm taking out one of the twists now. And I'm just really First, I'm doing the knotless method. So I'm starting off braiding my actual hair, but not really starting off with a braid. Maybe just braiding crossing over one time just so I can add in the Freatress hair. And then I just twist down. I use 2 strands per twist. So I continue just twisting all the way down until I get close to the end of the first piece. And then that's when I go ahead and I add my second strand of hair to make it, to make the hair longer. So as you can see, I'm adding the hair at the bottom of the first strand of hair. And what you want to do when you're adding the hair is just twist in opposite directions so the hair can just basically intertwine with the first strand of hair so you can get an extended twist. To secure the end, something that I was doing, I did just twist all the way down with majority of them, but some of them I did knot at the end, just taking the strands of the hair and just knotting it. For some of them, I just twisted it all the way down to the end, and then some I left some hair, so I just knotted it before I just left the pieces hanging on the ends. And if you're twisting in opposite direction as your twist to basically tighten the twist, it won't do so much unraveling. So I just continue just adding 2 strands per hair. I use 5 packs of hair in total. I did use the 3-pack of the Freatress braid hair in the Soulful Curl color 1B. It didn't really take that long in total. I say it took about 7-8 hours, but I did take a lot of breaks. So that's included with doing your own hair. That's the beauty of it. I'm trying to make sure it's nothing I really left out, but yeah, this is not a tutorial. This is just to watch me work. But yes, so just watch your girl work. These are knee length passion twists, my first time doing them, and I really love them. It's lightweight. And yes, I did end up as you can see, I was cutting them because I did start feeling like, oh, maybe these might be a little too long. But I did cut the ends a little bit, but overall I still kept the length. They're still down to the knee, like they're giving what needs to be gave, extra long. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not gonna do too much talking anymore for the voiceover. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me and see how it turns out. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, peace and love.
Yeah. Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. Just tell me about that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt.
3:30 in the AM and I'm done.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You send me out there, work. You see me do my
Yes. Praise to thee. But I gotta give the credit mostly to me. These things is long, y'all. Like, who know? Because it's giving us a 22.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew.
when the cat from my church.
Yeah.
Trying to find balance in between, but it's like my life getting dizzy. Praying out loud, can you hear me? Coming out, I don't conceal me.